Comorbidence refers to two or more people dying simultaneously, rendering it uncertain who died first and who last. Person dying in a plane crash, silent features, question of inheritance would depend upon the knowledge of who died first. In a wealthy, childless couple, having not written their will while were traveling in a plane and it crashed, it would be important who died to know who died first. If the wife died first, the husband would have legally deemed to have passed on his wealth to his immediate relatives, such as his own brothers. But if a husband died first, his wife would be legally deemed to have acquired all his wealth just after his death. In that case, the wealth would pass on her relatives. And example, her brothers. Section 21 of Hindu Succession Act 1956 states that in cases of simultaneous death, the younger will be presumed to survive the elder unless the contrary is proved. The underlying guiding principle in such a presumption is that stronger survives the weaker, and younger is generally stronger. Case study: Playboy playmate Dorothy Stratton and her husband Paul Snyder were both found dead on August 14, 1918. Snyder saw sometimes a big Stratton, a beautiful young girl, had found work in films. He had begun another affair, had broken all ties with us. Snyder was living separately on the fateful day. She had come to settle on an ambitious divorce. Snyder first killed her with a shotgun, after some time shot himself. Postmortem report showed Snyder died after Stratton. Members of his family successfully petitioned the court to grant them all the assets of Stratton by virtue of the fact that Snyder had inherited Stratton's estate upon her death. Had Snyder died first, Stratton's estate would have gone to her family members. Thank you.